Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. As if the thumbnail says, the agriculture graduates has some opportunities in ISRO. Every one of us desired to be part of such massive national institute like ISRO. It provides us government job, also gives an opportunity to serve our nation in our respective field. So guys, in this video, we will see how an agriculture graduate will be the part of such institute. So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. So what are the applications of geoinformatics, statistics, GIS in agriculture fields? We don't have to discuss here. But by the end, technology getting as an age that in future the skillful force who will handle the knowledge of agriculture as well as the geoinformatics will be in highlight. So guys, on the basis of this, some courses are offered by IIRS. So before discussing about IIRS, how we can serve to the ISRO. So guys, if you check the various notifications offered by ISRO, you will find there are some vacancies of data analyst, data scientist, technical assistant, junior scientist, which we are serving in GIS and geoinformatics sector as well as remote sensing. So how an agriculture graduate will be able to serve for these positions in ISRO? So guys, ISRO has one affiliated institute with it, which is called as IIRS, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. The Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is affiliated institute by Indian Space Research Organizations, where various scientists provide guidance to students in various courses. The 2022 and 2024, the 2 years academic calendar has been available on this website. If you want to know what are the courses of ISRO, IIRS, then go through this website given in description box, or otherwise visit our telegram channel AgriEdu Jobs, where you will find this academic total whole calendar and description of each courses. So guys, IIRS is an institute which provides training, then academic guidance, as well as the performance of various satellites are monitored by here. The data is manipulated in such a way that the modern day technology will get benefited. There are so many private institutes which provides this knowledge also, but there is only one government organization which giving such massive data or academic guidance to the students in this sector. So guys, these are the courses offered by IIRS. First one is MTech program, then MSc program, then PG diploma program and PhD program. Each and every program we will discuss in this video. The MTech program degree is given in collaboration of Andhra University and IIRS. MSc program is given with the collaboration of IIRS and 20 University of Ireland. The 20 University of Netherlands. The student who are participating in MSc program, they has to give their training, 6-month training during their academic 6 year in Netherlands. So those who are participating for MSc, they will get chance to go Netherlands and learn in this 20 university. Also some PG diploma programs of 1 year also given by IIRS with tie-up of different universities, and also the PhD program. If you are get qualified, then you will definitely receive some amount of scholarship through GATE. So this is your advantage while taking admission to these courses. Now we will see one by one what are these courses. Post-graduation diploma courses. So guys, here post-graduation diploma course is offered in remote sensing and GIS. So every post-graduation is given in remote sensing and GIS, but their specializations are different. First one is agriculture and soils. As I have earlier discussed, the application of remote sensing in agriculture is the demand of our next generation agriculture practices. Then second one is forest resources and ecosystem analysis. Third one is geoscience. Fourth one is natural hazards and disaster risk management. Again, urban regional studies, marine atmospheric sciences, satellite image analysis and photometry, water resources, spatial data science, etc. etc. So guys, these are some PGDM diploma courses which are offered by IIRS, and it is the detail of these courses. The course fee for every PGDM course is 72,000. Then if you are government sponsored, then you have to don't have to pay any fees. The seats for every specialization in PGDM are 30. Minimum percentage in qualifying degree should be 55%, and the background of intermediate level means the student should have background of science stream with at least 2 subjects of physics, chemistry, math, statistics, biology or computer science. So these are some requirements of post graduation diploma course. Next one is MTech course. The MTech course has essential qualification as MSc Forestry, Ecology, Botany, Wildlife Science, Bioscience, then Environment Management, Forestry, Forestry Biotech, and any other intermediate level in which science stream has been mentioned. So at least 2 subjects out of physics, chemistry, maths also here also should be present. Then fee structure. The course fee of self-finance candidates is 1,44,000, which is fee of Indian Remote Sensing Institute. Then university registration fee is different, which is 20,000. As I have said, the degree is given by Andhra University, which is with collaboration of IIRS. So you will guided by scientists of IIRS, and the degree awarded by the University of Andhra. Then course fee for government sponsored candidates, it is just university registration fee. Then course duration is 2 years. Total seats available 60 for each specializations. What are the specializations of MTech? We will discuss further in next slide. So minimum percentage of qualifying degree 55%, age limit 45 years. In PGDM also maximum age should be 45 years. So these are some specializations of MTech in remote sensing and GIS. The specialization given in agriculture and soils, forest ecosystem, geoscience. Again, these are same criteria as if it was in post graduation diploma management PGDM courses. So geoscience, natural hazards, urban regional studies, marine atmospheric sciences, satellite image and analysis, water resources, geoinformatics, etc. etc. So these are typical specializations, and you will find here the 31st March 2022 are the last date of application for MSc. So guys, for essential qualification, there are so many degrees are qualified here, but I have highlighted some degrees which are related to our agriculture and agriculture allied sciences. These are geoscience, agriculture, forestry, horticulture, environment science, and BTech Agri. So the fee structure of these sciences is for MSc course 1,60,000, which is fee of IIRS, and in euros 11,048 euros for ITC, means where you will be part of the 20 university for 6 months to perform your project work. For government sponsored candidates also, the fee only of university will be given. The course duration is of 2 years. Total seats available here. Not on many specializations are given. Only one specialization is given, which is geoinformatics and its studies. So 10 seats available only for MSc. Minimum percentage for qualifying 55 degree, and age limit is 45 years. So guys, these were some important updates from IIRS. So if you want to be part of the geoinformatics sector or remote sensing sector, then the last date to apply is 31st March of 2022, and don't miss this opportunity to get your registration on. The applications form are available on website for 31st of March. If you are new to our YouTube channel for such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.